In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the user ID in Salesforce with this quick and easy guide. Navigating through Salesforce can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you're trying to track down specific details like a user ID. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. Let's start by locating the gear icon. You'll find this icon neatly positioned in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Once you've spotted it, you need to click on it. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu tailored to give you more options. From here, you should select the option labeled Setup. This step is crucial as it opens up more detailed configuration options within Salesforce that might not be readily visible at first glance. Now that you're in the advanced setup, let's turn our attention to the Quick Find box. This search tool is an exceptional feature that helps you quickly locate specific settings or pages without the hassle of navigating through every menu. Simply type the word Users into the Quick Find box. As you type, you'll observe the list of options narrowing down, saving you time and effort. Once you've typed Users, be sure to click on the resulting Users option under the Users section. Following this, you'll be directed to a page displaying a list of all the users associated with your Salesforce account. Now, your task is to pinpoint the specific user you need from this lineup. You might need their user ID to solve an issue or perhaps access their details for another purpose. Carefully browse through the list until you find the user you're looking for. Once you've located the user, go ahead and click on their full name. This action takes you to the user detail page, which provides a wealth of information about the selected user ranging from their role and profile to more granular details. Here's where the magic unfolds. Pay close attention to the URL at the top of your browser once you're on the user detail page. It might seem curious to examine a URL for a user ID, but this is one of those useful quirks that Salesforce offers. Within that URL, look for a distinctive 15-character identifier that starts with the numbers 005. This sequence is the user ID you need. Jot it down, memorize it, or copy it to the necessary location. It's the key piece of information you've been searching for. And there you have it, a quick, efficient method to find the user ID in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these steps will save you time and streamline your process. I hope this guide makes your Salesforce experience even smoother. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful guides and tips.